Yeah, man!
Hello, my name is Miguel and today I'm gonna make for you condensed milk bread sandwich. You're gonna need sliced bread, condensed milk. Visit JamaicanDinners.com for the recipe. I know some people might say, really I go video this, but as simple as it is, it's a part of our culture. It's a part of Jamaicans' behavior. If you want to call it habit, fine. That's alright with me. Pour some condensed milk on top the bread. Say 2 between 3 tablespoons. Pour the amount that you want. This is a condensed milk bread sandwich. Subscribe, like, and share. Try making the sandwich yourself and give us feedback. Once you're finished with that, just take the other slice of bread and lay it on top. Yes, me love bread back. That's it. Condensed milk bread sandwich. It's a custom for us to cut our sandwich like this. The flavor is bread and condensed milk. It's a nice little snack when there's nothing else in the house to eat. To make the sandwich interesting, you may sprinkle raisins on top. Share with us how you prepare condensed milk sandwich. Look for bread and butter next. Until next time, bye.
Yeah, man!